I'm Melinda, and today we're going to be doing an underwater volcano science experiment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Let's get in. So, the supplies you'll need is a jar or vase with cold water, a small cup or jar with warm water in it, and something to weigh it down such as a rock, which is what we have here. And then you'll also need some food coloring. It can be any color you want. I have some yellow and some red. So first what you're going to want to do is take your cup or jar of warm water and put in the food coloring. Once you get the food coloring in there, you can kind of just mix it around a bit. Next, you're going to grab your large jar with the cold water and you're going to put this jar in it. Here we go. Now, watch the magic happen of this underwater volcano. You can see it rising and going. Look how awesome this is. The warm water in the cup is rising up because it is less dense than the colder water underneath it, therefore creating our underwater volcano. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to show your support and so you can be notified when I post more fun science experiments. Make sure to try this at home with a parent's help and permission. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!